Hi, this is Litre Total Parts Pro. Today we have 2015 Ford Ranger stock number 7348. This ran from the 6 2011 to the 6 2015. It's a P4AT 2.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 6-speed manual transmission. This is a P4AT 2.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. Left hand headlight needs polish. Left front 17-inch steel wheel good tyre. Left rear 17-inch steel wheel good tyre. Right rear 17-inch steel wheel good tyre. Right front door 1 dent. Right hand door mirror. Right front guard. Right front headlight needs polish. Right front 17-inch steel wheel good tyre. Right front door card. Right front master switch. Head AC controls. Factory single stack stereo. Display cluster. Interior mirror. Right front sun visor, instrument cluster,